Hey, welcome back. Time to test fit it and mount it temporarily up on the roof. See how this goes. Got it sitting up here. Let's hook the battery up to it. Yeah, that's gonna be fun. All right. Got it back off the roof and figured I'd give you a little, pretty much it's done. I gotta pull it all back apart, paint it, and put it all back together and do the final wiring, but I'll give you a little closer look. It's a 12-volt backup camera, Wi-Fi, direct to phone, some red flashing lights there, a little gear reduction motor, and timing belt, and a little electric actuator on the outside of it. Bigger actuator there. The components of the receivers and relays that'll control everything. And then the remote control, the circle up here is a phone mount. So I'll be able to view the camera and see where it's pointing at while I'm messing around with it. Quick look inside. The joystick was an Amazon purchase. Actually, a bunch of this products were Amazon. Anyhow, I pulled the gun completely apart yesterday and wired the camera up to it, and also wired a control wire up to it to fire it, and then siliconed it all up, put it back together. I don't expect it to last too awful long, but whatever. As far as the gun, everything else is waterproof. It's just the gun itself. Don't know how long it'll function up there, but it's for fun. Not a big deal. Hope you enjoyed it.